A family's human gesture is assuring birds of food, water. A philanthropist family is inspiring several others with their unique initiative to rescue birds from the scorching summer here. The family is taking painstaking efforts to provide food and water to the winged wonders on the compound wall of their house in Subhash Nagar, Nizamabad. DLN Chari has been providing them free of cost for the last 2 decades. Daughter Kavya, Shravya, son Rahul Sai, Sunanda had come up with the idea of setting up feed boxes for birds. Birds, especially sparrows, face food and water problem in summer. The diligence which the family members go about this wonderful exercises has inspired others.